See the exercise. Last period we have learned about tense and their types. We will see the exercise about the simple present tense and simple past. Listen carefully, all of you. First, A question. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. We have to fill these blanks with the correct form of verbs. Options are given here. First, I dash walked 2 kilometers yesterday. Yesterday he or she maybe walk 2 kilometers. So the action has done. Walking action has done. So we have to write here walk. Next, let us see the second. He dash helped the old man after the accident. He helped the accident. He helped the old man after the accident. The action has done. Helping action has done after the accident. It is, so we have to choose here helped. Next, third, earth dash moves move around the sun. Earth moves around the sun. It's action happening right now, so we should have to write here. Let's see. Third, earth dash moves around the sun. We should have to write here moves. It's happening right now, or action is doing. Next, my grandmother dash in bracket go went bracket complete to our uncle's house last Sunday. Last Sunday it's mentioned. The action has done. Going action has done. So we should have to write here went. Fifth, we dash watch a film. We watched a film yesterday. Watching action has done yesterday. So we should have to write here watch. The action has done in the past. So we should have to write watched. Sixth, she dash washes wash her car every weekend. Every weekend she is washing her car. So we have to write here washes. Next question. Write P for sentences in the simple present tense and P for sentence in the simple past tense. We have to write PR for the simple present tense. And simple past we should have to write P. So we should have to how to know after reading the sentence we will get which is the tense, which type of tense it is. First, Amit and Haritam play cricket every Sunday. Amit and Haritam play cricket every Sunday. So it is simple present tense. As per mention, we have to write here PR. Its action is happening every or regularly or has done regularly. It's regularly. So it is the simple present tense. I love vanilla ice cream. It is also simple present tense. Let us see the third. The thirsty bird drank water from the lake. In this sentence, thirsty bird drank water from the lake. The main verb is drink. So we should have to write here. We should identify this sentence. It is simple past tense because drank. The bird already drank the water from the lake. So it shows it's express drank. The verb it is expressing here simple past tense. So we should have to write here P. Kajal lives in Mumbai. Kajal, she is living in Mumbai. It's right now. She is also there. So we should have to write here present tense PR. Fifth, the snake is angrily at the mongoose. The verb is here his. Ed is used to the main verb. So it's express here the action has done in the past. So we should have to write here P. P means simple past tense. Shikha sings for 2 hours every Sunday. Shikha sings for 2 hours. Every day she is singing. The action is happening every day regularly. So it's expresses here sings. This sing verb expresses here simple present tense. So we should have to write here PR. I hope you have understood this simple present tense and simple past tense examples. If anybody has doubt, you can ask all of you. Okay, dear kids.